Welcome. Today we're going to break down the key differences between Calculus 1 and Calculus 2 in a way that's easy to understand. Let's dive in. Let's start with Calculus 1. The main focus is on derivatives, which measure how things change. Think of it like measuring the speed of a car. That's a derivative. You'll also learn about basic integrals, which are like adding up lots of tiny pieces to find a total, like finding the distance traveled by looking at speed. The main topics in Calculus 1 include limits, understanding what happens as we get closer and closer to a point, derivatives, finding rates of change chain rule, dealing with complex functions, and optimization, finding maximum and minimum values. Now let's look at Calculus 2. This course builds on Calculus 1 and takes things to the next level. It's like going from learning to walk to learning to dance. You're using the same basic skills, but in more complex ways. The main topics in Calculus 2 include advanced integration techniques, like integration by parts infinite series, adding up infinite numbers of terms polar coordinates, a new way to describe curves and parametric equations, describing more complex motions. Let's talk about difficulty. While Calculus 1 focuses on mastering fundamental concepts, Calculus 2 is often considered more challenging because it requires you to combine these concepts in creative ways. It's like going from learning individual dance moves to choreographing an entire routine. For both courses, you'll need strong algebra skills, good understanding of trigonometry, and solid geometry knowledge. But for Calculus 2, you'll also need pattern recognition, better spatial visualization, and more persistence for solving complex problems. Remember, both courses are important building blocks in your math journey. Calculus 1 gives you the foundation, while Calculus 2 helps you see the bigger picture and solve more interesting problems. With dedication and practice, you can master both. Thanks for watching.